Hi, welcome back. This is going to be a quick video on adjusting your choke lever if it's moving in too easily. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, and check me on Instagram at Clargo Garage. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the pull out, push in style choke. This is on a Honda. It's the same thing as the Yamahas for a similar era. So we're gonna do it on the Honda because the my Yamaha is put away for winter right now. So as you can see, it's tucked up against the wall, and the choke portion is on the wall. So we're gonna do it on the Honda. It's identical. So if you pull your choke out, and when you fire the bike up, it wants to suck back in or suck partly in, and you're holding it, trying to keep it running, or you have a clothespin on there trying to keep it running, it's a really easy fix. So as we can see, this is our lever here, and you pull it out, and then you fire up the bike, and sometimes when you fire the bike up, if they're getting weak, it sucks part way in and the bike wants to die because it doesn't have enough choke. So you're stuck there holding it out, or putting a clothespin in there to hold it. And all you gotta do, this piece here that looks like it's just to keep water out, you just gotta tighten that up. You just spin it, and now it's probably hard for you to see, but it is way stiffer. So when you pull it out, it holds. So we're gonna back this all the way out, and then looking in here, it's hard to see, but there's some threads on here, and then this portion sits on in the groove. So this back nut, it doesn't matter if you have it really tight or really loose, it won't affect how the choke lever feels. It's adjusted by this here. So when I pull the rubber back, you can see there's a little piece of plastic in there, and it's threaded. So you just screw it back on. So that's loose as it can be on this bike, and it's super free. But if I tighten it up, now it's super stiff. So you just want to get it somewhere where it's comfortable. I like it right about there on this bike, so I'm going to leave it there. So if your choke is really weak, there's nothing wrong with the cable or anything. You just got to grab that with your fingers and spin it a little bit tighter and get to your desired tightness. So any choke this style, whether it's Suzuki, Yamaha, I'm not sure about Kawasaki and the other brands, but I know for sure Yamaha and Honda are the identical, and I'm assuming Suzuki and possibly Kawasaki would also be the same, but don't quote me on that. But on my Yamaha, which is my Silverado 1700, and this is a Honda Shadow 600, they're an 06 and an 07 to give you a rough age range, and they're completely identical. So that's all you got to do to fix your weak choke lever, is just spin that, and then it will stiffen it up. So just looking at it, you'd never think there was an adjustment there, but there is an adjustment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check me on Instagram. Have a great night.